Yeah, I mean I say yo, a blessed morning to all of my Gaza fans them out there. So me I say straight. Yo, I come to tell you the breaking news all over. Chris Black tell you already. You see me? But you know me I say, I come to tell you the breaking news. Yeah, them push back vybz kartel appeal right back to July 19, 2018. Is not February 19, 2018 again. Is July 19, 2018. So what me I say. Yo, me I say to my Gaza fans them out there. And the Gaza family out there. Me I say, yo, you hear me? I see all the YouTube channel them. Me I beg, me I warn you know. Yeah. Be careful I wanna say about the government. Be careful how not violate the government. Me not violate no government body. Me not violate no law body, no police, nothing. Me's a man as every youth. That's what me I say. Not these people. No time at all. Not even in my music them what me I do. Me not these people. That's what me I say. So me I say, yo, you see we mouth, be careful what you say. All the YouTube channel them out there. Me not this or no, I mean not violate or no. But me I say, yo, you be careful. Oh, no, this the government body and the law, the country, the police force. You know what I say? Yeah, be careful how you know this them. Sometimes of these things make them things happen to a DJ. Because right now, enough of them, enough of them put out some things say, yo, Carter, you got to bust the case and win. Yo, hear me I say, man, you don't do them thing there. You see me I say? You don't do them thing there. A foolish dog back off a flying bird. You understand me I say? Yeah, and my granny said a sweet nanny got to run in belly. So you hear me I say, brother, some of you might have the feeling say him go get way. I don't want him to get to like myself here. But keep certain things inside. Don't talk everything. Because of the message where you give them out there, and that then use and punish him in there. That's what I say. You can't do that. You be careful. Me not tell a man not to say what they have to say. But not violate no government law, no government body. And not violate the police force. No. Because Gaza fans, me I tell you, you see if you come out with no ignorance again and talk all kind of fart again against the law and the government, it might worse. It might get worse. It might not get no appeal. They might dismiss it. Be careful. Now one you know. Me might not look like nobody where the world know and where the world fancy after and so, but me not care. There is a God for me and that's alright. But what me I say, me not diss nobody out there. I mean I violate nobody out there. What me I say, whether you like vybz kartel or not, or you hate him, or you don't like him, none at all. Me I say, yo, every man have them time and every man have them there. But yo, we are praying for him, Ninja Man, and everybody else there behind bars. That's what I say. And that me I tell you no. But me I beg you no, please. You nobody go get upset now and violate the government body and the law of the country. Me I beg you no do. Me know you not go feel good, Gaza fans. You not go feel 100% to hear that. Because me not feel good in myself neither to hear that. But me have to think and check before me go chat shit. You see what I say? And then you go disrupt people and then them come look for you and lock you up. Because them can't do it. Them can't do it. Be careful of the words them. Just be a nice and calm person and go and pray. Me go see how strong some of faith is. Because you hear me? Some of them never did a pray. If someone did a pray, them things won't happen. You see me? Maybe it happen for a good reason too. And maybe it happen for a bad reason too. Remember me telling you, brother. Me want cartel to walk free like myself here. That's what I say, because no man not perfect. I mean I say nothing more after that. So God go with all the Gaza nation. That's what I say. God go with all. Everybody out there we have somebody behind bars or you know have nobody behind bars. God go with all who will last them loved one. You see me? And we are praying for Ninja Man. We are praying for Ninja Man. That he may recover and he may bust him thing and walk too. You see me I say, in the name of Jesus, if I saw it I go. If I not saw it I go, well, there's nothing me can do about it I say, but me I wish him the best. Peace out and have a blessed day.
on the life we live.